Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle. The Asus Vivobook S16 versus the Asus Zenbook S16. If you're in the market for a new laptop in 2025 and are torn between these two fantastic machines, you've come to the right place. Make sure you watch until the very end because by then, you'll know exactly which laptop emerges as the winner for you. You'll find links in the description below for the latest prices and any ongoing deals. Oh, and if you enjoy the video, a like would help me out a ton. Let's get started. The Asus Vivobook S16 and the Zenbook S16 present distinct approaches to their construction and visual design. The Vivobook S16 blends the tactile solidity of an aluminum lid and keyboard deck with the practicality of a reinforced plastic underside. Its design incorporates subtle yet pleasing details like the concentric circle finish on the lid and a sculpted hinge. In contrast, the Zenbook S16 opts for a more singular premium feel with its ceraluminum lid, offering a smooth, matte texture that resists fingerprints, though the interior utilizes standard anodized aluminum. The Vivobook S16, while reasonably portable for a 16-inch device, is noticeably heavier than the remarkably lightweight Zenbook S16. When examining the ports, the Vivobook S16 offers a broader array, including two Thunderbolt 4 ports, standard USB-A ports, an HDMI 2.0, and even a micro SD card reader. The Zenbook S16, while featuring modern USB-C 4.0 ports and an HDMI 2.1, includes an SD card reader instead of micro SD and offers only one USB-A port. The need for the Vivobook's charger to occupy a Thunderbolt port is a practical consideration, whereas the Zenbook S16 boasts newer Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for enhanced connectivity. The Vivobook S16 boasts a 16-inch Samsung-manufactured OLED panel with a higher resolution of 3200 by 1200 pixels and achieves a typical SDR brightness of 377 nits, peaking higher in HDR mode. Its OLED technology delivers exceptional contrast with deep blacks and covers approximately 100% of the DCI P3 color space, resulting in highly saturated colors that can be tuned via software. While offering wide viewing angles, its glossy plastic top layer is prone to reflections. The Zenbook S16 features a 16-inch OLED touchscreen with a slightly lower resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels, but also covers around 100% of the DCI P3 gamut with infinite contrast. Its typical SDR brightness reaches up to 344 nits, with HDR highlights peaking at 500 nits. The glossy touchscreen enhances vibrancy, but similarly amplifies glare in bright environments. In terms of camera capabilities, both laptops feature a 1080p webcam. The Vivobook S16's looks somewhat processed, but offers solid clarity and improved low-light performance compared to 720p units, also including a manual privacy slider. The Zenbook S16's 1080p camera supports Windows Hello and provides crisp, well-balanced colors under good lighting, though it can appear grainy in dimmer conditions. Both incorporate dual-array microphones, with the Vivobook S16's offering basic noise reduction and the Zenbook S16's demonstrating strong sensitivity for clear voice capture. The typing and navigation experiences also differ. The Vivobook S16 features deep dish keycaps with a longer 1.5mm travel and firm tactile feedback, resembling a desktop mechanical keyboard. It includes a full-size layout with a dedicated number pad and a single-zone RGB backlight. Its extra-large precision glass touchpad, while plastic-topped and initially feeling squeaky, offers reliable mechanical click buttons. The Zenbook S16 provides a full-size center-aligned keyboard without a numpad, featuring per-key backlighting with 3 brightness levels and a quieter, softer key feel with approximately 1.4mm travel. Its expansive precision glass touchpad offers smooth tracking and a responsive click mechanism. Battery life presents another contrast. The Vivobook S16 houses a 75-watt-hour battery and comes with a 90-watt USB-C fast charger, achieving around 7 to 7.7 hours in real-world use for tasks like video streaming and office work. The Zenbook S16 packs a slightly larger 78-watt-hour battery and charges via USB-C with up to 65 watt, demonstrating significantly longer endurance with around 10 hours of typical office use and over 13 hours of 4K video playback in testing. Delving into their processing capabilities, the Vivobook S16 is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor featuring 8 cores and 16 threads paired with integrated Intel Arc graphics. In contrast, the Asus Zenbook S16 utilizes an AMD Ryzen AI 9365 processor which combines 4 Zen 5 and 6 Zen 5C cores along with integrated AMD Radeon 880M graphics and a dedicated AI NPU. The Vivobook S16 comes equipped with 16 GB of LPDDR5 memory, while the Zenbook S16 boasts 32 GB of faster LPDDR5X memory. Both laptops feature a 1TB NVMe SSD for storage. When it comes to editing and productivity tasks, the Vivobook S16, with its high-resolution OLED display and solid-state drive, is well-suited for photo editing and light video timelines. It handles color grading smoothly in standard mode, with performance mode offering faster export times. The Intel AI accelerators provide modest benefits in compatible applications. Similarly, the Zenbook S16, with its vibrant OLED display and capable SSD, enables smooth editing in applications like Lightroom and 1080p video timeline scrubbing. Its dedicated AI NPU offers some acceleration for supported filters, though the real-world speedups are modest. For 4K video export in Premiere Pro, the Zenbook S16 achieves a solid result for an integrated graphics system. In terms of gaming performance, neither laptop is positioned as a dedicated gaming machine. However, the Vivobook S16's entry-level Intel Arc graphics can sustain 1080p gaming at medium settings in some titles. For example, Cyberpunk 2077 at medium presets and 1080p averages around 30 FPS in performance mode. The Zenbook S16 with its AMD Radeon 880M graphics can also handle casual and esports titles as well as older AAA games at 1080p and medium settings. In more demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077, it achieves around 34 FPS at 1080p on low settings with FSR 2.1 enabled, though pushing settings higher can strain the integrated GPU and lead to thermal throttling. The Vivobook S16's cooling system, I remain surprisingly quiet even under load, while the Zenbook S16 can become uncomfortably warm during extended gaming sessions, suggesting the use of a cooling pad might be beneficial. Alright, so after this deep dive, the winner for most people in 2025 is the Asus Zenbook S16. Its superior battery life, lighter design, and premium feel edge it out, even with the Vivobook's better port selection and keyboard. Consider your priorities, and those links below will help you make the final call.